The first property is I have taken here is these two relations. So what is that relation? First one is the Fourier transformation, second one is the inverse Fourier transformation. That means the power spectral density or power spectrum is the Fourier transformation of the autocorrelation function, and the autocorrelation function is the inverse of the power spectrum. So these two relations together are also called as Einstein-Wiener-Khinchin relation. The property number 2 is, if I substitute tau is equal to 0 in the inverse transformation, I will find Rx of in place of tau 0 will be equal to 1 by 2 pi minus infinity to plus infinity Sx of omega d tau, and all you know that this actually gives us the area under the curve Sx of omega. Therefore, one more thing, we know that Rx of 0 actually is E of x of t square. So what is that E of x of t square? That is the average power. So therefore, what actually Rx of 0 gives us, one thing is area under the power spectrum of the stochastic process x of t. Another thing Rx of 0 gives is the total power of the random process. It gives us the total power of the random process. Next, we move to the property number 3. The property number 3 is, we know the Fourier transformation here, x of omega is the Fourier transformation of Rx of tau. So now this can be written as Rx of tau is equal to, we know that e power I omega tau can be written as cos I omega minus I sin cos omega tau minus I sin omega tau into d tau. That means Rx of tau into cos omega tau. What is Rx of tau? We know that Rx of minus tau is equal to Rx of tau. Therefore, Rx of tau is even function. And what is cos omega tau? Cos omega tau is also even function. The product of even function is even. Therefore, minus infinity to plus, this can be written as minus infinity plus infinity Rx of tau cos omega tau d tau. Then the second term, if you use the second term, if you integrate the second term, what happens? Rx of tau is even, but sign is odd. Even into odd is odd. And integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, odd function is 0. The reason I wrote here 0. Now what I will do is, I will just replace omega by minus omega. If I replace omega by minus omega, then what I will get here? Sx of minus omega is equal to cos of minus omega tau. Cos of minus omega tau is cos omega tau, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta is even function. So therefore, Sx of minus omega is same as Sx of omega. So from this we come to conclude that the power spectrum is also even. Once again, the power spectrum is real here. I told real. The reason is we started with modulus of xt of t whole square. So therefore, the power spectrum of the real random process, the power spectrum is the real random process. Power spectrum of the real random process is even. The power spectrum of the real random process is even. Now the fourth property is, if I substitute in place of omega 0, then Sx of 0 will be minus infinity to plus infinity Rx of tau into d tau. What actually it gives? It gives us the area once again. Therefore, the zero frequency value of the power density is equal to the total area under the autocorrelation function. So one more property I wrote that this I explained in the beginning itself. That